Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert a link into your email on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook, as well as a link we will attach within the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you may have noticed that you have been migrated to the latest version of Microsoft Outlook. Let's now compile an email. Let's now go to the top left corner of the screen where it says new email. Hover over this to either create a new email, event, or contact. We will be creating a new email. Click on this. So before we do anything, now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Let's now go to our YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio. We will want to take the link. So let's now go to customization. Go to branding, go to basic information, scroll to the bottom where we have the custom URL, click on this, copy, that has now been copied. We can now quit Safari, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, and now I will, before I do anything, add the recipient, which is the Computer Science Videos business@gmail.com account. There we go, double click on this. To confirm that it is being sent to the Gmail account. Yes, it is. Subject will say link. Let's compile the email. Dear CSV, please see the link below. And there we have the hyperlink to my YouTube channel. Kind regards from the admin. Let's now click on send. So this email itself has been sent. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this. To open up the web browser, now go to Gmail. And there we have an email from the admin to myself saying, Dear CSV, please see the link below, which we will click on this. Open up in an incognito window, that's fine. And there we have the YouTube channel for Computer Science Videos on screen. Possibly the greatest YouTube channel ever in existence. So we can now quit incognito mode. We can also quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.